How to check how long your voice chat is suspended on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can check the length of your voice chat suspension on Roblox. So now let's get started. Now to check the status of your Roblox voice chat, you need to log in on your browser. Open Roblox in a web browser like Chrome or Safari, not on the Roblox app. Then after, go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and then go to Settings. Now go to Privacy and Content Maturity Settings and check for the voice chat option. Click on Communication and there you will see the section of voice chat. Tap on it. If suspended, you will likely see a message like voice chat is temporarily unavailable due to a violation of our community standards. You can also try checking the email that is associated with your Roblox account. So Roblox usually sends an email explaining the reason and the length of the suspension to the email address linked to your account. You can also check the moderation history. For that, you can go to roblox.com/support, hit enter, or check the Roblox messages at roblox.com for messages from Roblox moderation about bans or suspensions. If the duration isn't shown, sometimes Roblox does not specify the suspension length, so you must wait. Most voice chat suspensions are temporary, lasting from a few days to a few weeks. Appeal if unfair, and then go to roblox.com/support and fill out the form and explain your situation politely. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.